Right, next up we're going to go over to £10 bag shop in Marmaris, just off the beachfront, just opposite Blueport Mall where we've just been. We're in Sewell. Again, if you don't recognise Sewell, it's from Downtown Junior in Hisaronu. I'm going to put the link for Downtown Junior in the description. You're welcome, mate.
Thank you so much, mate.
It's where Ted gets his full wardrobe, and we're going to go now to £10 bag shop. Let's treat Rochella, let's treat her. Look at this, every single item, £10. Bosh! I think one of them might suit you, mate. Maybe the green one, pink one.
These prices make me feel I have to buy something.
I think that's how everyone feels. You come in, you think £10, you have to buy something because it's only a tenner. And then people were asking, do they ship for the winter? They do ship for the winter. They're on Facebook, £10 bag shop, Marmaris. But the prices are different because shipping is very expensive now, isn't it? Shipping from Turkey is very expensive.
It costs £25 up to €2.
So the chances are you're not going to get your £10 bags. But if you're in Marmaris, then it's all here, lads. Your missus are going to spend a fortune in this shop. No Rochelle, so she's not going to spend all my money now. Maybe I'll just take her one present so she doesn't buy 20 bags. And just like back home, that ice cream machine in KFC is off. But next door you've got Burger King. So we've gone to Burger King, grabbed a sundae. Well, they're like £1 for a sundae. So me, Nuri, Omar are sat munching ice cream, and we've just sent a photo to my mate. Listen, that was absolutely class. We've just done a £100 giveaway here at Gazelle Port in Marmaris. Emma Burt, big congratulations. Everyone who entered on Facebook, massive thanks for entering. Hopefully we can keep teaming up and do more giveaways for you lot, the subscribers here on YouTube. Now we're going to go at the dancing fountains in Marmaris. I've got 15 minutes to get there, so we're going to go as quick as we can and then show you the dancing fountains, which is a free fountain display where you can take the kids, go with the family and enjoy the dancing fountains in Marmaris. Right, so I'm now at KFC at the bottom of Blueport Mall, and the KFC prices are really cheap. You're talking like £5 a meal. So in total I've just got food for £3. Nuri, 4 crispy pieces of chicken, fries and a drink. Me and Omar are going to share like a bucket with 2 mini burgers, 2 drinks. So here it's about £18. But in England that would probably be about 27, 28. Another £10. So this is KFC in Marmaris. It's alright, we're sharing. So you get 2 of these little burgers. We shared all this in the middle. We've got 1 fries. And enjoying the KFC in Marmaris. So whilst we're in Grand Bazaar, just before we go out, I'm going to grab a quick kebab. How do you pronounce this? What's the name? What he said. That exactly what he said.
Thank you.
And you got chicken. Is it beef or lamb? Lamb. Chicken and lamb. So just a lamb wrap. Just don't know how much are the lamb wraps? 200 lira for a lamb wrap. That'll do me. Bring it on.
Yes, sir. Fresh.
Okay, yeah. All extra to make a decent YouTube for you lot. Shit. Yeah, we need to swap positions. Right, so the lads just delivered the wrap to the table, which is 200 lira. Just over £4. Just over £4, yeah?
Yeah, 4.5.
£4.5. For a wrap, cut in front of us with the 2 donors there. You've got the chicken one, and then you've got lamb. Now I'm going to open it up so you can see it all. This is just one of the takeaways before you leave Grand Bazaar. This one they've put 2 chips in as well. 2 chips. Let me show you the inside. For £4, lettuce, a couple of chips literally, onion, fresh white onion, plenty of doner meat, lettuce in the wrap with no sauce, but hopefully the kebab's that juicy that you don't actually need any sauce. That is very good doner meat, really good. Just another reason to visit Grand Bazaar Marmaris. Right, we've now parked the car up, me and Jimmy. And we're going to Grand Bazaar in Bodrum, which is different to the other Grand Bazaar we went to last night, near the marina front, near the castle. This, apparently, according to Jimmy, who today is now my Bodrum tour guide, this is a proper Grand Bazaar. Yep. This is mental. Iron, so this is fresh made iron, not just straight from the carton. This is fresh. Okay, thank you. Okay. What's your name?
No pay.
No pay, he says no pay. He just wants to show me his fresh iron. Let's taste. Fresh iron, which is yogurt, water, and salt. The best gazelle. Choc gazelle. Have a good one. Are we done?
Is it enough or not?
Well, yeah, it's enough. It's good. We shopped, we haggled. Share to you, mate. How much this one?
100 euro.
100 euro. Cheap, £5, cheap. Very cheap, mate.
You buy or not buy?
No, I'm not buying. Not today, mate. No, I just wanted to see you. Everyone said you're famous. Merhaba, merhaba.
How many people
I'm good,
have?
mate.
Oh my god, 500.
This one's live.
Damn.
This one's YouTube.
From England.
England, mate. Yeah, you.
Hi England, brother, you alright?
And you? Where are you from?
I'm Kurdish.
Kurdish. Whereabouts?
And Turkey Kurdish.
An whole Turkish lady just looked me square in the eyes. I went, all right.
Let's go back to best bargain buys.
Shameful, mate. Shameful. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube. Just next to the £10 bag shop. I'm walking past to see. What is this, mate? Turkish Viagra. What's this?
Honey, inside honey.
Honey?
And spice.
Well, like this. Come on. Turkish Viagra, look at these. I know it says please don't take pictures, but I asked the guy first, very polite. This is his wife's shop. Lots of souvenirs here. Let me take a quick look inside. Can I go inside? Oh, camera okay? So, mate, thank you. Let's take a look. Look at these. 50 lira, just over £1. At the minute, it's 44 lira at the pound. Some people are getting 44.4, 44.5. Let's call it 44. Now, the prices aren't even crazy. The prices are more than reasonable. Now, when you get these ones over here, the messages in the window there are examples. But here, look, you write whatever message you want. So it doesn't have to be funny, it doesn't have to be offensive. You can put any message you want on any of these. Any message. Any Stockton town, up the anchors, Stockton town. No. What is going on?
Hello.
Welcome
Hello
to
guys,
Taiwan.
welcome to my channel. At the moment my bags
Maybe yalan söylüyor, inanmayın.
today very tired.
Ama Mami Ekrem geliyor.
Bizi
Sen kabıyla karşı. Bu da bize Mami Ekrem. Mami Ekrem ne söylemek istersin? Hello my friend. Hello my friend. Noche. Ah, noche.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Where? Yeah, where?
Ya bu da bizim Sami. Sami sen gözükmüyor.
Sami, I will know.
Ya Ayşe.
Hatay. Okay. You? Kurdish. Kurdish, yeah, where from? Where are you from?
Malatya. You know Malatya?
No, sorry. Syrian? No? He's gone, Syrian. She's not Syrian.